Nicholas Moore is a TNL student. He's also been one of my advisees.
Dr. Stewart is my primary advisor. He's the head of the TNL program at Superior.
Nick is very typical of the students that we get into the TNL program. They have a very strong work ethic. They are very conscientious.
When Dr. Stewart hit the scene and started up the program is when I made the transition over to that major.
Rick was one of our first students and one of the first two graduates that we had.
It's a great program. Dr. Stewart, his demeanor around it, his goals and objectives for what it is to become today, and I think that's exciting.
Rick's wonderful career for Schneider is referred to constantly, and for the students to realize this is what they could do in 20 years, it's wonderful. We also require that all students do an internship with a company in order to graduate.
At Schneider, I'm a van truckload operations intern. My internship at Schneider is definitely hands-on. I'm getting different data sets every day and working with it. I'm working with different aspects of logistics and trucking. There's the asset side of your physical trucks, there's the driver side, how are they doing? I get to sit in on meetings. Truck management is another one. And then other opportunities that Schneider's intern program sets up, for example, is the driver day in a life experience, which is coming up. So it's day to day and all the other cool things that I get to do.
These students get a wonderful, in-depth exposure to this field.
I feel confident that I can get into the industry.
I am proud of every single graduate who's come out of the program. Rick Somerville, as I said, is a wonderful role model for us, and I know that Nick will become a role model for classes yet to follow.